Hi guys, welcome to the bay leaf table. So today I am in the mood for some French galette. It's very easy to make and very delicious. Let's go over the ingredients. Alright, I've got here my food processor, but if you don't have a food processor, it's very easy to do it by hand. I'll show you how. For this recipe, we will need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I have here 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar, but you can use white sugar as well, a pinch of salt, and I'm going to get my butter. The reason I got the butter right now from the fridge is because it has to be very, very cold. You hear? Cold. So I'm going to cut this in small cubes, so each stick has 4 ounces. It's about 113 grams. Add your butter to your food processor. All right. Put the lid. Okay, power, and I'm going to crush it a little bit for a few seconds. Okay, it's kind of, so see, I don't know if you're going to see, but you obtain like these little pieces of butter. This is how you should get your mixture. See? So this is important. I have here 8 tablespoons of iced water. The water has to be very, 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 very cold. That means your dough is pretty much done. All right, so I'm going to add my mixture onto my working area. And you will see this and you'll probably think, oh, this is not looking like a dough, but you will see it will come together. I am going to cover this with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator from 30 minutes to 1 hour. I am going to start preparing my berries. For the filling, I'm using a pound of strawberries and a cup of blackberries. And I also will add 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. I have here a pinch of nutmeg. It's optional. If you don't like nutmeg, it's okay to not add it. I have here a pinch of cinnamon, a splash of vanilla extract, and a tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay, I am going to toss everything together very well, and my filling is ready. preheat my oven to 350 degrees. There you go, our dough is cold. And I have here prepared already a parchment paper to the size of my baking sheet. And wrap your dough. Take a rolling pin. I'm going to bring my filling and pour everything in the middle and then fold. Okay, so start. All right, press down, and as you go, just keep folding. I have here 1 egg yolk. I am going to brush the edges, and I will add a little bit of brown sugar too. Okay guys, my galette is all done. I am going to cut a little piece so you can see the consistency inside. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you did so, make sure you subscribe, ring the bell button for notifications on my next videos, and also make sure you check out my Instagram page, bayleaftable87. Bye!